Yeah, players in the industry, the realtors, the developers, what I see about the AI, obviously it has affected some part of the business or is affecting some part of the business. But the other flip side to it is it helps, the marketers of real estate, number one, to create content, number two, to understand what to do in a particular area. Number three, also it helps with knowing the average, prices and to be able to answer a lot of questions on, real estate generally in a particular area. For developers, how has it helped? Also is marketing, because when we build our house, right, our properties, we are not building for sustain. We are building to sell. Definitely, it's also helping in that area also, and it's making it easier for buyers to be able to understand what is obtainable in the area, and also for buyers to be able to specify that, I want a property that has pool at the rooftop, and I want the best developer that does something like that. They are able to target their search towards things they need, and they're able to get it also, which is why I still go back to quality and detailing in construction.
On my mind, but right now I'm with my guy. I don't fear them got my back.